In this last video, we will learn about procedural and non-procedural texturing. Let's make a plane first, and here press M to open the material editor. In the diffuse channel, select Mix. Mix works with two colors or bitmaps defined by black and white colors, and this is controlled by mix amount or a mask. So first of all, let's bring a bitmap in black channel. I have a grass texture. See, the grass has come onto the plane. Now in white color space, let's bring another bitmap, a ground texture. If you increase the mix amount, you will see both the grass and ground textures are mixing with each other. Or we can use a mask which will control these two things. So just click on this and select gradient ramp. Make the color something like this, white on both sides and black in the middle. And you can see in the viewport also how it is affecting the scene. Just make it more sharp. Okay. Now grass texture is here and ground texture is here. We can swap it to. If you render the scene, it will look something like this. We can tile it anytime because the textures I'm using here, these are tileable. I have made it in Photoshop. For tileable and seamless texturing method, you can watch my previous tutorial on CG Tuts Plus. So this is the map which controls this whole scene. Although we can play with the values, but we can't control it 100%. Like if you increase the noise amount, it will certainly give some different results. It looks nice. You can increase the size of noise too. Fractal gives different results. Let's give some bumps in the texture. So drag the same material to the bump channel too. Now it looks better. So this is called procedural texturing. This is just an example of it, and you can do it in several other ways too. Now let's see how to do non-procedural texturing. For that, we will use Photoshop. Make a new document of 1024 pixels, and just like before, take brush and black color and make a curved path, something like this. Okay, once it is done, save it as map.psd. okay, and now back to 3ds Max, and here just copy the same material to the new slot and rename it as non-procedural, and rename the first material also as procedural. So this is non-procedural. Here we will change the gradient ramp and change it with the bitmap we have just saved in Photoshop, which is map.psd. Once you apply, you can see, and you can control this texture with this bitmap. Suppose if I don't want grass here, I'll go to Photoshop, and just like before, I'll make some black spots Black spots will reveal the ground from background. Whatever I like to do, I can do in Photoshop. Just see in Max. So this is called non-procedural texturing. In non-procedural texturing, we can control each and everything. In procedural texturing, we can't control it, though we can play with the values. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and I think it would have cleared what is procedural and non-procedural modeling and texturing. See you next time in my next tutorial. This is Chandan Kumar from India. Bye-bye.